Etoro or Degiro, which is better in 2026. Both are popular investing platforms, but they're built for completely different types of investors. And choosing the wrong one could affect your fees, investment options, and overall trading experience. First, let's talk about eToro. It's known for its beginner-friendly interface and social trading features. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, and CFDs, and even copy experienced traders using Copy Trader. It's designed to make investing simple and interactive, especially for beginners. Now let's look at the Giro. It's a more traditional low-cost brokerage focused on serious long-term investing. It gives you access to global stock exchanges, ETFs, bonds, and other investment products with very competitive fees. It's popular among investors who prefer control and cost efficiency. The biggest difference is experience and strategy. eToro focuses on social investing and ease of use. The Giro focuses on low-cost investing and market access. So which one is better? If you're a beginner who wants an easy platform and social trading features, eToro is the better choice. If you're a long-term investor who wants low fees and global market access, Degiro is the stronger option. For most cost-conscious investors, Degiro often wins, while eToro is better for those who want a more guided investing experience. eToro versus Degiro. Now you know which platform fits your investing style in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing app comparisons just like this.